Alright, hello everyone. As you probably know from yesterday, I had some problems working with neoVim, and today I want to take a look into what are the problems, how can I improve myself with neoVim. Why is that so important for me? Well, I think neoVim is in the long run a very cool possibility for an IDE, and I would really love to work more with it. But for that, obviously, we have to train a little bit, because what we had yesterday were some issues and I didn't want to work too much into it because, yeah, I felt a little bit rushed. And today I just will take my time and work into it and hope we can solve some of my main concerns that I had. So, then give me a second, I will just set up something. So it will be maybe a short stream today because Lily is still asleep, but as soon as she's awake, you know, then I have to quickly leave. So let's add also this one, I guess. Nope. So this one, yeah. Terminal. That looks broken. What's that? Multi-compatible? Nope, still invisible. Okay. Then let's drop that quickly then. Zack. Something like that, and push that on the bottom of the screen. So I think we can even do it like that. Make that just big enough. So something like that. Great stuff. Alright, so some cool features I already know from Vim, and well, for example, can switch the windows, we can split the windows easily, we can make it horizontally, we can close all of them. We can open up that. So I really like that already, but I had yesterday some problems with, for example, renaming files and things like that. So what I want to see is if I add a child node, for example, then I'm now in the lib folder. So I could create, for example, a folder. Yeah, let's call that views. Or let's say we go to our real project, also with no Q, and say cd idea project, cd auto clicker. So, and if we are here inside, we have all the files. And I just want to work a little bit further here. Just give me a second, changing the music. Great stuff. So I hope you can hear me, you can see everything. Yeah, it looks all good. Okay, so what we can see is Flutter is already working, you know, we get, for example, the game widget here behind, and that's pretty cool. So what I want to take a look into was yesterday, for example, that minor part. We were here, I think I created that behavior with the walk behavior. So let's say we want to create a barrel roll. How would I do that best? I can create now here a new child node and call behavior.dart. If I'm joining it, export. Can I not? Which one is active? This one. Ah, of course. Export. No, we want to export whatever is in that file. Quickly going out. So inside of here, we go insert mode, export, walk. But if I see that correctly, if I forget that, now it's updating it. But it's not doing it while writing. Ah, just the errors are getting visible as soon as I leave the insert mode. Okay, cool. Can live with that. So now, what I saw is it does not index the file tree at all. So we have no clue about the files that are living here. Let's see if we can change that. Do you see now my Brave? Yeah, great. So, neoVim, that would be index files in project. And compile command JSON, check the compile JSON. Compile command JSON, how to compile command. Okay, this is for C now, but that means .lsp. How are you working? Duplicate. Ah, it's LSC, right? Organize input toggle. Installation, we have that works. Set short -f, I have done that. Then we had renaming, for example. So how can we test that? So let's switch quickly the window again. Let's head over to main, and inside of here, let's create a method. Void do something. So return. Yeah, let's return 1 plus 4. And this is of course not void then. It's an integer. Fantastic. So, and inside of our main function, we want to call do something. The scratch up above shows me now what this is. Do something. It's more or less a visualization of what I'm typing, right? So. Okay, then I can escape that. Avoid relative imports for files in lib. Okay, so this is a warning. GA. And I can say organize imports, for example. Didn't work. Fix all, ignore. 8. Enter. Press enter or type command to continue. Why is it not doing that automatically? So with some of the things I don't understand why I have to press twice, but that's fine. GA how do I order? That means inside of here. We should find something like clean up code or something. Complete func. Trace arguments off, messages off. Go to definition split, find reference, GR. So if I press GR here, nothing happens. Find reference, GR. Doesn't work there. Ah, there is something happens. Ah, okay. Shows me the quick fix list. Ah, and now I can jump to it. Can I quickly go back? neoVim, jump back to the last position. Jump to the last modification line, yeah, jump to the exact. In file, in backwards command O or command. Ah, so if I am here and I'm at command O, then I'm here. Great. So why is it looking now so weird? Ah, because of the background. Yeah, makes sense. So okay, that makes sense. So command shift O, command O. Okay, so to close a window, command WC, command WC, command WC, command T, command WC. Okay, so back to our main class, and now I would like to rename something. So GR, enter a new name, do something else. So that worked now immediately without any issue. Okay, and Dart FMT. Dart FMT. Ah, that works. Okay, great stuff. So with that we can clean up a little bit, remove the lines, DD, 2 DD for 2 times, put a single new line at the end of the file. That we can do easily. Great stuff. Okay, so write and quit. So that worked better than I expected. So why did it not yesterday work so smoothly? So what did we do yesterday? We had something here inside, and what I wanted to do is adding this update method. And suddenly it drove completely nuts. So what can we do actually to prevent that this time? I mean, I have it in JIT, right? So what we can do is 15 DD. No, let's escape. 15 DD. Get rid of that, and now let's just quickly try to write that update method again. Update. So we want to have this method. Tap. No. So and suddenly there is a lot of @ signs everywhere. Why? neoVim autocomplete adds @ symbols. With built-in LSP client. So I believe LSC is standing for language server client, hopefully. COC, I also saw that one. Let me try something. So at the moment we are using, I can just undo everything that I did here. Perfect. And save it, quit it. And what I can do is switching quickly to, go out, yeah, go out, go out, perfect. So inside of the app data, we have the local cd neoVim, and inside of here we have the initVim. And what we are using at the moment is Vim LSC and LSC Dart. And I think there is a cock Dart too, so COC Dart. Okay, let's Google it. COC Dart. Flutter. Flutter support for neoVim. Okay. LSP features is powered by Analysis server. Autocomplete, diagnostic, format, rename, hover, document, signature help, more detail. Automator finds SDKs from the path. COC Flutter, what do we use? We have the Flutter tools, but that has nothing to do. Flutter tools is not the autocomplete, I guess. Oh, Vim. Exactly, so we need that LSP client. Things like managing applications. So this is an LSP. We have these LSCs for Dart. So why is Vim LSC Dart so important? Vim LSC Dart. What would happen if we remove that? Is that just Dart method body type? Good, so this is and Vim LSC. Dart Vim plugin. If neoVim detect file type incorrect. Okay, what is Dart Vim plugin? Oh, nice. Ah, okay, here I can set up some stuff more. Do I have that plugin installed? Dart support for Vim. The name is Dart Vim plugin. Dart Vim plugin. Here we go. Okay, we have it. So what I can do is creating a section for our famous Dart plugins setup or config. And here I want to have something like I read here. So we could have, for example, Dart format and save. So plus P. Perfect. So let gdart save on format. What else do we have? Enable Dart style guide syntax like two space indentation with Dart style guide. Here I'm a bit careful. Highlighting for specific syntax group can be disabled. Don't want that. Okay. Why doesn't the plugin identify the Dart format? Okay, and they recommended Vim LSC. Okay. widget, wrap widget with nice, like that. In the cock or COC and then breathing, okay. Not really know, okay. So if I read that correctly, that would mean if I had that, I am not necessarily need the other two. So what I could try is going up here and remove that and that. Could be an issue, let's see. And let's say we add here plus P. Oh, that was a mistake. Okay, then insert mode, plug. This one. This will be our auto completion for Flutter and Dart. Right, and now I have to source this file again. Voila, and now we say plug, install. Great stuff, and installed. That's that. Alright. So let's see, if I now open, I have prepared here a main file just in case. So when here we can see things like auto completion and stuff. So we can directly see that the auto completer is running, which is a good sign in my opinion. Okay, so we write undefined class color. Okay, that means because we have not Flutter in this project, that's why it's not working. That is fine. Alright, so that was a short interruption, sorry for that. Okay, so the most important part is working. Now the question is still something like that working? No, replaces that now. What does replace meaning? Can I now replace? Okay, that means the source names have changed. Go to reference and so on. I would need more docs, I guess. Usually that happens inside of the file here inside. Do they have a doc? Index.ts commands. No, this is just development stuff. So cock list something. List and then we add Flutter SDKs. Not an editor command. Shows all the search paths. Okay, but that didn't work. The question is now why? Do I need to set something up for that? Let's quickly switch to music again. Much better. Maybe snippet. This config should be in a COC in an engine briefing. COC engine readme. So there is COC engine. Make sure, okay. Do I have COC installed? So if I switch to here, do I have COC install? No, even not. So that would mean I need to install completion with sources using example Vim configuration. Use G to navigate diagnostics. I love that. COC info, not an editor command. Okay. So that tells me that I probably have to include also that. So let's switch back again to our initVim. Put here our no, that was wrong. P and insert plug. And be happy now. I guess I will have to put that lines higher. So another good question to Vim. In Vim, move line higher. Split window, various, no. DDKP. On one line with the other line above, I usually do the following. DD will develop. Okay, we'll move one line up. Okay, it's just to copy. K. Okay, gotcha. So we remove these and we save. DDKP. Okay. Then we write, then we source this file, and then we say plug install. Great stuff. Good. And with that, we have now also COC. So COC info should be a thing. Aha. JavaScript bundle not found. Please compile code of ES build. Plug. Okay. COC info. That's not good. COC engine service not started. Checking environment. HCRC LSP. So could I, if I go now, opening up that one, let's get this. Column check. Okay, NVim version satisfied? Environment warning PyX command not work. Some extension may fail to work. You check out help Python X install PyNVim. Encoding UTF-8. Let's add that here. COC NVim. Alright, my child is awake, so I have to leave. Bye bye.